In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import presets to Lightroom Mobile. If you've downloaded a preset pack and you're ready to speed up your editing, this walkthrough will make the whole process simple and stress-free. Before we jump into the app, make sure you've saved your preset files to a place you can easily find on your phone. Lightroom Mobile accepts XMP files and preset packs in a zip archive. You can keep them in your device's Files app or in a cloud location like iCloud Drive or Google Drive. A quick tip here, put them in a clearly named folder so they're easy to locate when you browse to import. Open Lightroom on your mobile device. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and log in so your settings sync correctly. Once you're in, choose any photo from your library. It doesn't matter which one, you're just using it as a canvas to access the presets panel and preview how your new looks will apply. Now look along the bottom toolbar. On some screens, you might need to swipe right across the tools to reveal everything. Find the Presets button. Its icon looks like two overlapping circles. Tap that to open the Presets panel. In the Presets panel, head to the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. From that menu, choose Import Presets. This opens your device's file browser so you can point Lightroom to where your files live. Navigate to the folder where you saved your preset files. Select the .xmp file or the zip preset pack you downloaded and confirm the import. If you're importing a larger zip, give it a moment. Keeping the app open helps the process complete smoothly. When the import finishes, your new presets will show up in the Presets panel. Look under the Yours tab inside the User Presets folder or inside a custom named folder if the pack came organized that way. Scroll to confirm everything is there. If you don't see them right away, make sure you're on the Yours tab and try closing and reopening the Presets panel to refresh. Also, double check that you selected a valid .xmp or zip file. That's all there is to it. Save your preset files in an easy-to-find spot. Open Lightroom, pick any photo, head to the Presets panel, use the three-dot menu to import, and then look under Yours to find your new styles. With your presets imported, you can quickly preview different looks and streamline your editing across entire shoots. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.